It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ARWR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price movement broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame, I think, does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very, very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and biggest volume and most consistent volume that this one has had in a while. So let's first start by mapping out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be right up there at $2.70. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below it, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above there, that would certainly be a huge sign of strength. Next level of support after that, down there at $2.50. So 270, 250, more the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, it's really all about the purple line right here, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to continue to move its way higher and higher. And from a very big picture perspective, and if you're just saying, Clay, I just want a way to measure the health of the overall move. Simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself continues to move upwards, then the bulls are in full control, full health, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these next potential battlegrounds at? So for this, we may have to go to another time frame, which would be a good problem to have. Yep. So that just means we're going way back on the chart's history. There we go. There we go. So next area of resistance, right up there at $3.10, and that's coming from price area from back in 2016, so a very, very long time ago. So it's been a while since the price has been up around there, so that is certainly a good problem to have. But at the end of the day, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing in terms of building these higher bases, which you can see here, then the long-term chart is going to continue to take care of itself. So very nice move today. We'll see how this one closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.